Well, on to the UP campaign now, where BJP President Amit Shah and Home Minister Rajnath Singh today flagged off the party's second Parivartan Yatra from Jhansi in the drought and farmer suicide hit Bundelkhand region of the state. But their big focus ended up being the surgical strikes, one rank, one pension and even triple talaq.
In Bundelkhand, a region hit by drought and farmer suicides for successive years now, the BJP used its second Parivartan Yatra to speak about hits of another kind, the recent surgical strikes against Pakistan. Home Minister Rajnath Singh also took on the Congress for what it called politicizing the one rank, one pension issue.
सेना का नाम लेकर, सुरक्षा के जवानों का नाम लेकर राजनीति की जा रही है। वह वन रैंक वन पेंशन उनकी सरकारों ने तो देने का काम नहीं किया।
कांग्रेस ने कभी भी जवानों पर राजनीति नहीं की। आज हमारा एक जवान मरता है, उसके परिवार वालों को घसीट के मारा जाता है।
If Rahul Gandhi's recent UP Yatra focused on agrarian issues, BJP boss Amit Shah talked about the government's pro-farmer initiatives, but also targeted his political opponents over national issues like triple talaq.
ट्रिपल तलाक के मुद्दे पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने जो स्टैंड लिया है, इस पर हाय तौबा मचाई।
In the 2014 Lok Sabha polls, the BJP swept all 4 seats in Bundelkhand. Its local MP from Jhansi and Union Minister Uma Bharti, who has faced flack for being missing in action from her constituency, tried to calm ruffled feathers.
लोक सभा क्षेत्र के निवासियों को ये कष्ट रहा कि मैं उनको एक साल पहले तक तो बहुत मिलती थी, लेकिन एक साल से मिलना कम हो गया कि मैं लोगों की समस्याओं का निदान करने में अपने आप को असमर्थ पाती थी।
Mayawati, whose party performed the best in the region in the last assembly polls in 2012, is asking voters to be wary of what she calls the BJP's false promises.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरह ही प्रदेश में दलितों का वोट हासिल करने के लिए उनके घरों में जाकर उनके साथ खाना आदि खाने की भी नाटकबाजी नहीं करनी पड़ती।
In terms of assembly seats, Bundelkhand has just 19 of the state's over 400. But the region has also been in the headlines over the last many years, unfortunately, because of terrible reasons, some of which have been listed by the BJP in this banner here. For the BJP, Bundelkhand is also a prestige battle. The question is, can they win it? In Jhansi with camera person Gopal Singh, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.